How can you clone your Flutter project on Android Studio with GitHub? Let's go copy the URL of GitHub project. Click on the check out the project version control and now select Git in Android Studio. Paste the URL of your project and select the desired directory location of your project. Then click on clone button, click on the no button and choose the existing project because it has been downloaded to the location you can create it. Now after finding the location, click on OK and that's it. Your project is simply just cloned. Now you can install your dependencies, install the packages, and boom, you are done with installing packages. Now errors are corrected. You can start your project and start building your Flutter stuff. Flutter again is made by Google, a framework to build cross-platform applications in just one code. You can build Windows, Android, iPhone apps, softwares with one code without having so much knowledge of native language like Kotlin and Java.